Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted and Unfiltered. We have another new brand for the channel. This brand reached out to me and we had a pretty good conversation. And this one I think many of you will like because it's very, very affordable. However, let me give you a little bit of an insider info here. Sometimes these brands they contact me. They have this story of where they came from, but then when they send me the actual watch, it has no semblance of the actual place. And this one came from China, and I have no clue which one it was. And because of the Chinese New Year, I don't know who's supposed to give me the invoice to clear this package. But long story short, it's here now. And I think when I saw the package and how many watches there are inside, I know pretty much which brand it is. So let me skip the actual knifing and the cutting of this board, and we'll be right back for the actual unboxing. And this is the brand name Phorcydes. I don't know if that's Phorcydes or Phorcydes, meaning four sides, but that's the brand. If I ever find out, I'm going to correct myself in the actual video review. And we have two watches here, but we're going to unbox just one for today. Let's pick this one up, and the next one will be on a different unboxing video. Now, this is the box. The other one was actually opened by customs since we don't know which brand or which watch brand sent me their watch. This is Phorcydes. Let's go with Phorcydes, okay? What is this? Is this Lume? Oh, it looks like it's a okay, that's a loomed watch roll right there. Very good, very nice. Something different. I know it's that vividly. Now let's see. Okay, let's put it there. And this is the watch. Right. So as you can see, this is another homage brand, and of course homage brands have been popping up like mushrooms everywhere because it's been getting really affordable and really accessible for any brand to produce their own watch nowadays, with the Chinese market opening it up. And okay, let me take this wrapper again. It's like we're going to fast forward this video so you don't have to suffer all the painful unwrapping of all these wrappers. All right, so we're back here. Let's put this on the side. Look at that. That's a skin diver, and it kind of looks like a CQ, Glasuta CQ. Can you imagine that somebody's going to homage a Glasuta CQ now? It has some sort of, if you could focus, come on, focus, man. There we go. Okay, so we have the case back there, some engravings on the case back. We have quick release spring bars, which is really nice. Okay, let me slow down my movement because it's getting too fast. And look at this interesting bracelet. This interesting bracelet, it's kind of like a hybrid of a Jubilee bracelet and a beads of rice, but it's also very unusual because those beads in the middle are quite angular. I've never seen this bracelet. Really nice. Really cool. The clasp, you can see it's a bare clasp, but it has a micro adjust. Let's see how that works. Oh yeah, it works very well. Wow. Okay, I'm surprised. And this is a very affordable brand. I mean, you don't even get to $300 with this watch. Really impressive. Look at that dome sapphire crystal. I like that. Everything else is pretty generic except the dial here. Look at the dial. The dial is, whoa, okay, that's an impressive lume. Wow, look at that. Look at that lume. And those are lume blocks, guys. Lume blocks. but you see there already it's kind of fading away right away. But I guess if with sufficient charge, this would be more than adequate. Let's get back and put my lights back on. Let's try it on the wrist. Skin divers, guys. This is a little bit of a chunky boy compared to other skin divers, but it's, look at that. It fits my wrist nicely. Let's resize that and that'll be great. But again, these tend to be, they're really nice, but on the feel there's some roughness to it. I guess that's where, you know, you could realize how much this would cost. But let's try the bezel. The bezel's pretty decent. There's some play there. No, actually no, there's no play, sorry. The Lume is pretty decent. Very nice clicks. Let's put it back on. And all of the minutes are all marked there, unlike many divers. Right. So that's the Phorcydes. What's the model here? That's the PH-4A. That's the PH-4A from Phorcydes, and this has a full green lume, and this one is actually quite impressive at the price. It's just $199 US. That's very impressive for what they're able to achieve. 200 meters of water resistance, and what is this? This is a 39 for sure. This is a 39 millimeter case. Okay, yeah, there we go. It is a 39 millimeter case with a 13 millimeter thickness. Now that's a big thing there for a skin diver. That's quite thick. But I'm pretty sure many of you would love this this watch simply because of the price. So what do you think? Is the price good enough to buy into this new brand? Of course, sapphire crystal. I can see that it is sapphire crystal, right? Let me see. Yes, sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, and this is probably an aluminum bezel. That's how they could keep the costs down. Oh, it is a ceramic with hyperglow luminous. Oh, okay. So, guys, that's $199. How can you beat that? That's pretty impressive. That's the Phorcydes PH-4A, and I have the other model, and I'm going to unbox that really soon. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and those interesting comments, as usual, will make it into the actual video review. Those interesting comments will make it into the actual video review. Impressive.